Okay, so let's read this. We have a sale on pecans, and we're making 7 pies. All right, so 7 pies. Information. We need 1 3/4 cups per pie. So 1 3/4 cups equals 1 pie. There is no cup, but there is a scale. So this is kind of like that avocado problem we talked about the other day. We didn't have a scale for that one. Now we do. How many pecans are in a pound? Here, I don't have that, but I have 99 grams is 1 cup. So I don't really care about pounds, because to make the pie, I just need some number of cups, right? And I have a scale, and many scales have grams and pounds on them, or grams and ounces. So I'm going to assume it does. When I was at the, I was measuring avocados at the store the other day, and the scale at Safeway did grams or ounces. It's my recollection. Okay, so I have 1 cup of pecans is equal to 99 grams. Okay. Oh, but I do need pounds eventually, because the answer asked me about pounds, because this is the United States and we use pounds unlike the rest of the world. Okay. I think we're the only country in the world that uses pounds right now. A few years, well, 5 years ago, there were 3 other countries, but I think they finally gave up on pounds. So we're the holdouts. All right, so we do have to convert to pounds. And let's see, what do I know about pounds? I know there's about 2.2 kilograms in a pound. And I'm only 90% sure of that. So I'm going to go to my best friend Google and ask. So let's see, how about grams to pounds? And it looks like that is a common search in the world today. So 1 gram is 0.022. That's kind of messy. I'm going to switch it to 1 pound is 453.592. Okay, 453.592 grams per pound. Shot that relationship. Into the current page. Okay, so that is going to be some useful information too. Oops, get back here. Okay, so we have to make a conversion from 7 pies to pounds of pecans, and we can just use conversion factors to do that. So I'm just going to start with the fact that I want to make 7 pies, and I'm going to multiply that by the fraction here, which is going to convert pies to cups. So that says, since pies is in the top, conversion, pies goes in the bottom, 2 cups goes up here. In my version, 1 3/4 cups is the same as 1 pie. So this tells me eventually I want to do 7 times 1 3/4. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to turn cups to grams next. So to get rid of cups in the top here, I put it in the bottom. And I know 1 cup for pecans is 99 grams. Oops, that's not quite where I wanted that to be. Go. So that gets rid of cups, gives me grams. Next, I want to take my grams, change to pounds. So grams goes in the bottom, pounds in the top. And I have, according to Google, 453.592 grams is 1 pound. That gets rid of grams and finally gives me pounds, is the only thing not crossed out. So this tells me that to take the 7, multiply by 1 3/4, multiply by 99, and then divide by the 453.592. All right. 4 3/4. This is an important note about mathematics. Mixed numbers are great for speech, but they suck for calculations. So it's going to be, we're going to be better off writing that as a mixed improper fraction. So 1 times 4 is 4 plus 3 we should consider that 7/4, or we could convert it to a decimal. It also has a nice decimal. All right, so calculator, for my version, I've got 7 pies times 1.75, 1 3/4, times 99 grams, divided by Google says, what's that again? 453.592. 3.592. Oops, that ended up in the wrong spot. 3.592. All right, so let's see. Did I do that correct? Check my notes. 7 times 1 3/4 times 99, and then divide by the 453. 7 times 1 3/4 times 99 divided by 453. I get about 2.67 pounds for my version. So this is approximately, for me, 2.67 pounds. I didn't end up using 2.2 kilograms in a pound, because then I would have to convert grams to kilograms, which would be an extra step. I chose not to do that.